At matapos ang ating unang labanan ngayong hapon, dadako naman tayo sa last game ng ating eliminations, ang inaabangang paghaharap ng Season 1 champion, Judiciary Magis kontra rival team, PNP Responders.
Alright, hindi na mapipigilan to. Mahirap
yan
na. Init na init. Talaga mainit. Siguradong umating ka mabakbakan sa hardcore na masasaksihan natin ngayon. Pero bago muna yan, kamustahin muna natin ang mga Magis and Responders. Let's watch this.
Sa last game ng ating elimination round, tutukan natin ang muling paghaharap sa court ng UNTV Cup Season 1 finalist na Judiciary Magis at PNP Responders. Nakuha na ng defending champs ang isa sa dalawang automatic semi-spot. Ngunit hangad pa rin ng Judiciary na makuha ang overall number 1 spot sa eliminations kung matatalo nila sa game ngayon ang PNP Responders. Sa pagkawala ni Camaso, muling mag-step up sina Capus, Hall at Salamat upang muling manaig sa karibal. Nais ng PNP Responders na manatiling walang talo sa kabuuan ng elimination round. Nakuha na ng mga pulis ang isa sa dalawang automatic semi-spot, ngunit gusto pa rin nilang makuha ang number 1 spot. Muling magpapakitang gilas ang Season 1 MVP na si Olan Uwiping, kasama sina Criste at Santa Cruz. Nais bumawi ng Responders sa pagkatalo sa Judiciary last Season 1 Finals. Para sa ating last game ng elimination round, panoorin natin ang matinding matchup ng magkaribal sa kampyonato, ang Judiciary Magis versus PNP Responders.
Alright, Coach Jerry, kabisado na nila ang isa't isa. Hindi lang isang beses sila nagharap, hindi lang dalawa, hindi lang tatlo.
Ako, talagang, kumbaga wala na silang itatago sa isa't isa. Siguro everything, they will just put everything dyan sa floor and let their action speaks for itself.
Alright,
diba?
Very well said, Coach. Maraming salamat. At ngayon, handang-handa na ang Inares Sports Arena para sa inaabangang showdown ng mga power teams ng UNTV Cup, the Judiciary Magis versus the PNP Responders. Kaya we'll turn you over to Coach Sev and Coach Rock.
Showdown, sabi ng mama sa taas.
Ito na ang moment of truth sa ating second round battle, Seb.
Posisyon na ito.
Oo. Para sa iba, no bearing ang laban ng PNP kontra dito sa Judiciary. Pero para sa dalawang coaches, I feel that they're looking down the road, anticipating the possible matchups after the quarterfinals. At sabi nga ng iba, be careful on what you wish for dahil you might just get it. Para sa kanila, they just want to win, keep themselves solid, keep themselves ready for the playoffs.
Di baga ito ay medyo replay nung last year. Ang PNP undefeated pumasok doon sa mga round na susunod. Ano?
Totoo yan.
Sila yung top team. Tapos medyo natisod. And Judiciary started playing well together. And wala, natalo sila ng 2 games ng finals.
Totoo yan. Winalist nila lahat ng kanilang oposisyon patungo doon sa championship. Pero pagdating sa kampyonato, sila naman ang dinerecho nitong Judiciary. Kaya lang, para dito sa conference na to, Seb, record-wise, 7-0 sila. But the truth of the matter is, may talo sila na isa sa kupunan ng PhilHealth. At reversed yung outcome na yon. So at least, the pressure is less para sa PNP. Ang hirap kasi natatawid ka pagdating sa dulo na wala kang pagkatalo.
Okay.
Sometimes you do not know how to react when things are not going your way.
Last question before we get the jump ball and the introduction going. No Don Camaso. So far, naka-adjust ang Judiciary. No, nakausap natin si Joey Abot. They've adjusted. Will Camaso still be important in a game here today?
Of course. Every game is important when you have Don Camaso. But you have to give it to the rest of the Magis. They have been able to step up to the plate. They have been able to produce and make the necessary defensive stops. But in the playoffs, they will be needing Don Camaso. I think that Don needs another week to be able to heal completely. And they will be surely awaiting the comeback of Don Camaso.
Paano itong Coliseum announcer natin?
Sige na.
Kukunin ko yung merienda niya. Kasi ako gumawa, ng
Give.
trabaho niya kanina. Ako nag-introduce na ito ang bagong game ko. Sige na nga. Noel, go.
Good afternoon and welcome here at the Inares Sports Arena for the last of the eliminations. In today's main game, Dave Metagan, the Judiciary, in the PNP in Season 2 of the UNTV Cup. Let's welcome in first elimination rounds number 2 team in the rating in defending champions, your judiciary, Magis. Number 1, Midas Marquez. Number 2, Dindo Sevilla. Number 3, Nicomedes Natanawan. Number 5, Edelbert Dimson. Number 6, John Hall. Number 7, Hale Cabanting. Number 8, John Bergonio. Number 9, Kevin Enriquez. Number 10, Rodolfo Reboredo. Number 11, Joey Yabut. Number 14, Julius Rabino. Number 15, Ariel Capus. Number 16, Rodel Chua. Number 19, Romulo Paras. And number 30, Frederick Salamat. Their head coach is Dennis Balason. He is assisted by Art Ramos. Now give it up for Season 1's runner-up in the number 1 team in the standing with a flawless 7-0 record. Your PNP Hinirangs. Number 2, Rene Lata. Number 4, the MVP, Olan Omiping. Number 5, Japet Kabahug. Number 7, Abol Kair Bayabao. Number 11, Harold Desena. Number 12, Harold Santa Cruz. Number 15, Ronald Abaya. Number 17, Jayman Mesola. Number 22, Julius Christie. Number 49, Dennis Escalona. Number 66, Felmar Haboli. Number 72, Jenard Abragan. And number 87, Ray Agoncillo. Their head coach is Rafi Gonzalez. Both teams please meet at center court for the traditional sportsmanship handshake. Let's first meet the starting 5 of your judiciary, Magis. At guard number 1, Midas Marquez. The other guard, number 8, John Bergonio. At center, number 15, Ariel Capus. At forward, number 6, John Hall. And the other forward, number 16, Rodel Chua. Here now is the starting lineup of your PNP Responders. At guard number 87, Ray Agoncillo. The other guard number 22, Julius Creste. At center, number 17, Jayman Mesola. At forward, number 12, Harold Santa Cruz. In the other forward, number 4, Olan Umiping. Our officials for this game, Jonard Garcia, Mike Galutera, and Jong Banayat. This is your UNTV Cup. Ito ang bagong game ko.
Okay, let's send it very quickly to Rina Villamor, who is with Coach Dennis Balason. Go, Rina.
That's right, I'm with Coach Dennis Balason. Coach, alam natin may height advantage dito ang PNP team. Andyan si Santa Cruz, si Abaya, at si Abragan. Paano po kayo magko-compensate dito?
Siguro yung help defense lang, tapos talagang yung usap sa loob, tapos focus sa loob, and then play hard. That's it. Yun yung key.
Wala po si Don Camaso. Sino po ang dapat mag-step up sa kanila?
Siguro, Chua and everybody. Like nung katulad nung wala si Salamat. So, sana hopefully may pumutok ulit. Yun lang.
Alright, maraming salamat po sa inyo, Coach. Good luck. Balik sa inyo dyan, 7, Coach Ronnie.
Okay, mga coaches natin, nasasanay na rin interviewin.
Ganda pakinggan. Alam mo, Sev, for coaches, the challenge is to always have a complete roster entering the deepest part of the conference.
But life is strange, my friend.
And so far, the obstacles have come aplenty laban dito sa kupunan ng judiciary. Kumbaga, defending the crown is hard enough. Defending the crown with the complete roster will be a very big roadblock para dito kay Coach Dennis Balason.
We're starting very slow here this afternoon. Huh? Nice, easy pace. That will not work, and the rebound is picked up. We have just 1 point on the board. It belongs to the PNP. And these are two teams, and as we have observed throughout the conference and throughout the year that we have been following the games, Very, very disciplined. Both very well coached. Both teams play with the system, and that's important. Olan umiping. No, sir.
This will be the very first time that they will meet each other after that best-of-3 series sa ating first conference na kung saan ang Magis had the number of PNP. Pero iba na ang roster ngayon ng responders for this conference.
Okay. On the other side of the floor, we've got Jerry Alcantara. Go, Jerry.
Yes, Sef. Kausap ko si Olan Umiping kanina at ayon naman sa kanya, nakapagpahinga sila nang masigurado ang pagpasok nila sa next round of eliminations. Ayon kay Olan, confident naman sila na alam na nila ang laro ng judiciary. At they prepare their plays around the fact that Camaso will not be playing today. At dahil wala si Camaso, they'll be utilizing their big men to score and defend the basket. They'll be using zone defense and adjust kung kinakailangan. Bilin naman ni Coach Rafi na they should coordinate and stay solid inside. We won't be seeing 4 players in action, itong si Inofre, Yangkiling, Saracho, and De La Calzada. While the others are on duty, itong si De La Calzada ay medyo masama ang pakiramdam. Back to you, Sev.
Tama ba akong mali? Si Jerry nakasuot ng uniform ng PNP.
Talaga?
Naka-blue eh.
Aba,
Tama. Tapos si Rina, ano suot? Hindi ko alam, hindi ko matandaan. Nakaputi rin ba?
ito.
Ano suot?
Naka-beige. Beige ba yan,
Beige,
Vince?
hindi. Not following on
Light yellow?
Not following.
Anong tawag dyan?
Wala, nakasimangot sa'yo eh.
Alam mo. Anti-heat stroke. So nakakulambo po. Nakakulambo si Binibining Rina.
Paliwanag mo sa programa bukas sa umaga.
AKA Aling.
Aling Rina. Na may suot na
Anti-heat stroke. Bakit siya na-heat stroke, sir?
Ba, ewan ko
nagsalamin siya na walang lente.
Mismo.
Oo.
Samantala, inside, that'll drop from Misola.
You can count on the fact that the responders will try to pound that ball inside, given the fact that Don Camaso, the tallest player for the UNTV Cup, will not be playing for the 5th time in a row para dito sa Magis.
3-2 ang bilang natin. At narito si Ariel Capos, most likely very well marked here today. John Hall, to me, still the most difficult variable to deal with when you play the judiciary, and it is tapped outside. But you also like the phalanx and the battery of guards of the judiciary, actually.
That has always been one big plus for Coach Dennis Balason. May not be really true point guards, but they can play that role. At maraming players na ganun na kinuha si Coach Dennis Balason.
Yes.
That is a tribute to Coach Dennis for building these prototype players para sa kanyang sistema.
Shot clock coming down to 7 into the hands of Chua. Chua looking for space, rejected by Misola. And Agoncillo picks up the loose change.
Alala ko yung kinayod ni Olan Umiping nung finals. At yung hataw naman ni Don Camaso.
Silang dalawa yun.
Oy, grabe.
Umiping. And it is an early lead by the PNP at 5-2.
That's a difficult fall-away runner. Olan Umiping running into John Hall, but able to balance his body and square up for that shot. 3-point advantage for the responders.
And still in the first couple of minutes of the ball game. Nice floating shot by John Hall makes it 5-4.
That's a fall-away, John Hall version. John Hall continues to be a double-double performer for the Magis with or without Don Camaso.
Here's Agoncillo who can spot it from the outside. Knocks one in from three-point country.
He's normally a knockdown shooter down deep corners. But they're scoring a basket from the rainbow line off a dribble in the face of Midas Marquez.
Parang napaka-clear ng airspace na. Talagang pinakawalan. Pasok.
Alala ko sa hindi siya naglaro ng series. Hindi siya naglaro. Sacrifice play siya ron eh.
Yung PNP band, konti lang sila. Yan na naman yung paborito mo, yung Superman. The theme from Superman.
Napalabas na ba yung Godzilla, sir?
Napanood mo na. Galing daw sa Pampanga si Godzilla.
Bakit?
Explain ko sa'yo mamaya. Sandali. Osteoguard, go, galaw. 3-point shots. Nung pagkatapos magtago ni Godzilla, pagkatapos ng mga bomba-bomba, bigla na lang sa Pilipinas pala nagtago. Tapos nakawala nung pagkatapos ng pinatubo. Yan lang istorya nila. Tapos giniba ni Godzilla at lahat ng mga monster in Las Vegas at kung ano-ano pa. Anyway, sino kaya Godzilla rito ngayong hapon na to sa paglalaro rito?
Godzilla.
Yan! Godzilla na eh.
Nice.
Uy, nice pass.
And again, an inside basket. That's 2 inside baskets plus the 3-point conversion earlier coming from Magoncillo back to a 5-point advantage. That's a good call.
Pilit eh.
Alam mo, Sir, pinabanggit natin sila Habar, lockdown defender. Pinabanggit natin itong sila Bergoño, talagang outstanding pressure defender. Pero itong si Misola, one of the best na interior defenders na nakita ko.
Hindi siya binibigyan ng... The light does not shine so brightly on him, but he doesn't mind.
Oh, hindi brusko, pero matalino maglaro.
May diskarte, baga. Saka tanda mo nung nasa Pasig tayo, siya yung tanging alam kong nakadunk.
Oo. Ito they'll go bigger. Talking about the responders, there's definitely an overmatch there between Midas Marquez at itong si Abaya.
Si Abaya was also a best player in one of the games that we did. In the meantime, there's a penetration and the PNP simply in control.
I believe that is a new set para sa responders. Probably trying out new plays in preparation for the playoffs.
Anyway, Midas Marquez launches a 3. It falls short. The spin around, no. There's traffic inside and the judiciary unable to get anything out of that particular exchange. As Kabinting. To the other side, we go with Abaya. Marquez applying body pressure will be called for the foul.
Yeah, that's good decision. That's a good decision para dito kay Abaya. Talks about that advantage versus Midas Marquez as Midas Marquez asks for a replacement dito kasamang Sev.
It's all right, when play. Oh, knockout.
That is not all right. Somebody switched and a teammate was not able to recognize, leaving Misola underneath. Series of inside baskets and a couple of 3-point conversion. Now, this is a 9-point bubble for the responders.
Di ba, Ronnie, kuminsan sa inbound, tumatalikod kuminsan yung defender.
Nakatalikod naman talaga, Sir.
Di ba?
Pero kailangan, labanan mo yung mga picks.
Ano ibig sabihin? Yung inbounder harapin mo.
Yes.
Pero may nagre-reverse dyan kuminsan para makita yung takbo nung...
But for most of the coaches, alam nila yan eh. Kasi ilan lang naman ang patterns na iraran mo sa baseline at sideline out of bounds depending sa situation na mayroon. Kasi meron din mga coaches magaling sa last second execution.
Ito ang coming out confidence ni Salamat.
Oh yes. Getting precious minutes. And that floor time has given him a lot of confidence and was our top player in one of their most recent matchups.
Mas nervyoso pa siya nung interview kaysa doon sa laro. Alala mo yun? Santa Cruz, hang time! And will trip to the free throw line after a foul by Kabinting most likely. We're gonna see the Salamat 3-point shot patrol. I am it.
Salamat has to be a more enthusiastic shooter from the outside given the fact that Don Camaso will still be out of commission. Naghahanap sila ng zone buster. Of course, alam naman natin si Ariel Capus talaga ang kanilang tirador mula sa tres. Pero kailangan pa nila dun sa kabilang kanto. Santa Cruz has started out slowly for the responders. Has developed himself to be the best big man para dito sa PNP responders.
Saka ilang puntos yung kahabulin nila kay Camaso? 20 at least.
Mahigit, sir.
Mahigit,
20 and 10 at least.
Corner shot does not bite, and the rebound by Santa Cruz. Cabahog, by the way, has been inserted into the lineup. Here goes Umiping, suspends himself in the air.
Look at Santa Cruz.
Oh.
That's 1 against 4. Multiple possession situation once more for PNP. Alam mo, Seb, si Olan, hindi ganun ka pumuputok, this conference.
Hindi ganun ka-exposure.
Pero mas gusto na niya yan, na hindi kanya lahat. Basta kumakayod yung mga kasama niya.
Salamat gets a good angle.
5 first quarter points for Salamat. Leading scorer para dito sa kupunan ng Magis.
Earlier, it was 14-4, then now suddenly it's 15-10. So, Judiciary kicking up a backdoor play is red. The last touch, Umiping.
In a 1-4 formation, you have to be very patient to get that first pass in. The options are clear. Either get that ball to the wing or secure that pass to the high post area. Either way, the man with the basketball, meaning the point guard, he has to read the plays and has to go to the continuity of the patterns to make it happen.
Wide open shot does not bite for Salamat, and it's on the ground, and it's picked up by Santa Cruz. Referee's halt play.
Sabi ng ating game official, may sumipa ng bola.
Wrong sport.
Lapit ang World Cup kasi.
Yeah. Ito na naman, mapupuyatin na naman ako ng Germany.
Germany ka?
Gusto ko lang yung uniforme nila.
Ay, ganda, no?
Oo.
Classic yan eh. Hindi nagbabago mula pa nung time nila Muller.
Yak. Pupuyatin na naman ako niyan.
Maalala ko na naman sila Mario Kempes niya.
Saka enjoy na naman tayo kay Messi.
Naku, Cristiano Ronaldo.
Oh, what a shot by Chua, and he makes up for the miss.
It's a big man showcase here in the first quarter. Isola and Santa Cruz for PNP. Chua on the other end para dito sa Magis.
With 2:20 to go, it's a 5-point lead for the Philippine National Police that had the early lead of as much as 10. Baseline pass. Here's Chua. Chua by lonesome. Eaten alive by 3 defenders.
That's 5 attempts in 2 possessions para dito kay Chua.
Cabao does not have any man on the left wing. Not good balance by the PNP on that play.
Yan ang lamang nila sa lamat, ang tatangkad nila.
Kaya nilang bumangga doon sa maliliit na gwardiya. Oh, and a basket. Possible 4-point play.
5 in the game para kay Olan Umiping. Yes, build that reputation of being a knockdown shooter from the 3.
Live it at Tibay Atay. Sarap ng buhay. And live it up. That is the motto of Olan Umiping, who is now beginning to wax hot. 20-12 is the count.
Alam mo, Seb, Olan Umiping is living his dream. Dito sa ating UNTV Cup, makikita natin na itong si Olan reliving his playing years when he used to play for the UE Red Warriors before nearly making it to the PBA in the year 2004. Kabatch ito nila James Yap at Paul Artadi. Sa kanila Booker.
Oo nga pala, no? Kabanting took care of business inside, cuts down the lead to 6. Bilis pa rin ang pace ng PNP, no? Santa Cruz cuts up the inside, batted away. Kabinting with a nice pitch. Enriquez tracks it down to the other wing. They waste the possession. Escalona reports in for the first time. Escalona, also one of the gunners of the PNP. There he is on your picture. Boy, we have already lost how many teams? HOR, LGU, 2 teams now. Gone already, no?
Tama yan. Meron pa tayong nahulog doon sa ano, Sim?
DOJ.
Tama.
Unang nawala ang DOJ. Where's the, there was that thing about the PhilHealth team, which should be sorted out in the near future, I suppose. In the meantime, the first one by Cabao is on target. Time down to 47 seconds. You know, this is not a wrap against the pro game, but you know that the extra 2 minutes is really long, you know.
Very long.
If you think about it, you know, yung 10-minute quarters ng FIBA is really fast.
Yung 8 minutes na yun, Seb, parang 30 minutes yun in real time.
In real time, no? Di ba may article sa Diary na isang araw, ginulangan ng 2 NBA coaches yung game, pinahaba na pinahaba. Tinay-mouta sa dulo. Yung 2 minutes yata, umabot ng 20 minutos. Samantala, Cabao is at the sentinel position. Nice shuffle. However, Salamat not biting. Cabao dish off to the other side. Here comes Abaya. Sidestepping motion and against the glass. It goes.
That is a shot coming from a player who is in terrific shape. Able to manufacture a shot under duress. Iba yung timing, iba yung talon.
And to make the adjustment, as you mentioned, in the air. So this 10-point lead, Ronnie, is a familiar refrain for the PNP here in the first quarter.
So far, so good for the responders. But the Magis have to do a better job come the second quarter.
Okay, tuloy-tuloy po ang ating aksyon. Medyo maagang umarangkada ang PNP ng first quarter. Tapos bumawi-bawi ang judiciary tumikit, naging as much as 15-12. Pero ayun, pumiglas na naman ang PNP. Yun ang hindi ko pa nasusubukan magpagupit sa Amerika. Mahal siguro.
Di nga ako nakakita ng mga barbero dun eh.
Yung tabi-tabi niya.
Nakikita ko fast food.
Yun. Yun naman, di naman nawawala yan. Okay, so Ronnie, umarangkada ang PNP. So nasa sa kanila na sa judiciary ang challenge.
Hindi pwedeng hindi mag-perform si Ariel Capos.
Hindi pwede.
He was scoreless in the first 10 minutes. I was looking at the numbers of the Magis at the end of the first. At ang missing link doon ay itong si Ariel Capos.
And Capos with his first basket. It is a 24-17 count here in the first minute of the second quarter.
Ariel Capos has to be a constant para dito sa Magis. Together with John Hall. Sabi nga natin, tatlong players form the tripod for the Magis. John Hall, Ariel Capos, and Don Camaso. Wala si Don Camaso. Yung pangatlong paa ng triangle na yun, pinupunuan nila Rabino, nila Salamat, nila Bergonio. Pero si Capos at si John Hall, kailangan matining kada laro.
Ano ka mo?
Matining. Oo,
okay.
matining.
Tumataginting. Escalona brings it up. PNP playing a control game, no? Have you noticed?
Alam na nila
They don't want to rush things, but when there's an opening, they'll do it.
That's a nice under control basket coming from Kabahug.
Corner shot. Follow up. One shot. Buti naka-second chance bang ang judiciary. On the third try, John Hall knocks it in.
Nakakayod ng PNP ang Magis sa opensa sa loob. Pero sa offensive rebounding, ang Magis kumakayod din. Nandun si Chua kanina, si Kabanting. Ngayon naman, John Hall binuhay yung bola at nakabasket itong kupunan ng Magis. That's the 1-4 formation offense para sa PNP.
The Sena and company attacking. The dish off at the last moment with 2 seconds on the timepiece. It's gone. Ariel Capos with a forward pitch. Nice pass. It's blocked, but they'll call it as a foul on Labaya.
With the entry of Ariel Capos in the second quarter, suddenly the Magis are a much quicker team. They're having problems beating that 2-3 zone defense, and what better way to solve that problem by pushing the ball forward and trying to score in the open court.
Reboredo will be shooting free throws. Rina, what do you have?
Yes, Seb, the most important reminder from Coach Dennis Balason is to play like champions. They have to start strong and to finish strong starting this second quarter. Sabi rin niya kanina, the key to winning this ball game ay kayo-kayo lang. Kayo-kayo lang ang magtutulungan dyan. So if all your collective efforts will be bigger than the PNP team, then kayo ang magwawagi dito. Meanwhile, nakita ko rin dito sa side ng bench ng Judiciary Magis. No? Nandito rin si Don Camaso. He's in the bench right now. Sabi niya nga sa akin, 2 weeks pa siyang mag-aircast, 1 week for therapy, and hopefully by the semis ay makabalik na rin siya sa laro para makatulong siya dito sa ating Magis. Sev?
Maraming salamat, Rina Villamor. Samantala, this is a 3-point shot, an Osteogard Gogolaw 3-pointer. I see Olan Umiping returning and Ariel Campos doing the same for his own team, but some headway has been done by the judiciary in terms of a rally.
Running game on offense and that signature half-court press that they have executed so well in the last 2 conferences.
Reboredo kicks it outside to Capos. Cross court we go. Good fake by Salamat. 2 jumpers in front of him. Overcooks it. But wait, there's a whistle.
Batting foul number 22, Judas Christie. His scores 3 on the responders. Harold Santa Cruz for Renata.
Santa Cruz is back in the game. Santa Cruz was steady in the opening quarter, making sure there was not much resistance in terms of the rebounds of the judiciary. Was an excellent source of strength for them.
7 points in the quarter for the Magis compared to only 2 points in the second quarter para dito sa kupunan ng responders. And that is the huge reason why Olan Umiping is back in the fray for the responders. We've nearly closed 3 minutes of the 10-minute mark of the second. Namang problema dito ang PNP against this 1-2-2 half-court press ng judiciaries.
Abaya has to hit something, and he does.
We talked about Olan Umiping, Alejandro, Kiko Adriano, and I feel that Abaya has the best-looking perimeter jumper in the entire conference.
You find gems of basketball everywhere in this country of ours, huh? In the meantime, here comes Capos. Sends it to the right wing to Reboredo. Shot clock winding down to 8 seconds. John Hall tries to make a decision. The ball is lost by Capos.
That is the correct flash. He tried to go behind the zone and then make a sneaky cut. Pero nabitawan lang ni Ariel Capos. That was a good find coming from John Hall. Pag half court kasi yung depensahan na mga problema rito ang judiciary until such time na merong tatama sa kanila mula sa labas at mababasag nila yung zone sa kanilang weak side rebounders.
Rodel Chua is back in the game. Favorite player ni Ronnie Magsano.
Oo. My deepest apologies.
It's okay. Ako, tinawag ko rin siya Roger Chua. High school teacher. Samantala, Criste rather already in the game. 28-22 is the official score.
Nice pass.
Baseline attempt does not work, however. Here comes Santa Cruz. Criste breaking the sound barrier, won't bite. Follow up. Oh, overcooked it. Criste says, "Uy, thank you." But the ball is taken away by Salamat and Santa Cruz. Guilty of body contact.
Looking action there. Excellent push by Santa Cruz for Criste. But a better chase down coming from Capos and the rest of the Magis. Sinisigurado ng Magis dito na nakakapit sila eh. Hindi nila pinapayagan dito ang PNP na kumawala at pumoste ng double-digit advantage.
Capos tied up, saves it from going out of the their side of the floor. It could have been a backing violation. Omiping with a pitch, touched last by, let me check, number 14.
That's Rabino.
Rabino. Sabi ka na, muntik kong sabihin Robredo. Roberedo. Baseline inbound for the responders. Criste. Haboli is in the game. Misola. Nice fake. Caught at the last moment by John Hall. Boy, John Hall really reached for that.
Pero may punto ron si Misola, ha? Bola sa taas, pero a lot of contact downstairs.
Si Misola kasi natural gumalaw as pivot man eh.
Ganda lang footwork.
Meron kasing mga pilit in that position eh.
Ito na yung natural na basketball player, Seb. Joey Abut, making his first entry in this game. Here in the first half, the first quarter was controlled by the responders, building a 10-point advantage heading into the second quarter. They were ahead 24-14, but here in the second, they've only gotten 2 baskets compared to the 8 points, or make that a total of 8 points. That's correct, para dito sa Magis.
Run by the judiciary. Alam mo, if there's one team na magaling humabol, it's the judiciary.
Napatunayan na nila yan eh.
Oo.
At ang ginamit nila yan na talagang pag-build ng kanilang winning run doon sa nakalipas nating unang UNTV Cup. And once again, they have used not only the inspiration coming from Don Camaso's presence today, they have used that success towards building a stronger team dito sa ating second conference. Alam mo, Seb, hindi madaling masaktan, especially for a player na sanay maglaro ng mahabang minuto.
At a certain age, mas iniinda mo eh, no?
Lalo na kung sa paa, dahil lahat ng gagalawin mo, magamitin mo yan.
Bagay. Paggising sa umaga.
Hanap ng almusal.
Ang tagal mong sa aeroplano, no? Mag-isa ka, wala kang kausap, ano?
Meron yung kumot.
Dali ho, kakausapin ko itong Ronnie Magsano. 28-25, magbabalik ko kami. Okay, balik ho tayo rito sa Inares Sports Arena. Live ho tayo sa araw na ito dahil binubuo po natin ang ating tawag dito, ang elimination round natin. Etong barangay natin sa araw na ito.
Wow.
Oh, bakit?
Nakakatuwa lang.
Bakit?
Barangay Kasambahay. Pwede,
okay.
No?
Pwede. Andiyan si Aling Rina.
Oo. Si Kuya Lito.
Si Kuya Lito.
Si Direk.
Si Maring Alex. Ang sama, hindi yata tama yun. hindi maganda tama. Hindi maganda halo.
Malex,
Diba?
pwede.
Si Kakang Jerry.
Uy.
Si Mang Sebio.
Uy.
Si Paring Ryan.
Present.
At si... Huwag na. Eto na. Bumalik ang Gloucester County ng PNP. Nag-pick up ang laro nila. 30-25 ang ating bilang.
Subalit ito ay kanilang pang-6 na puntos pa lamang dito sa ating pangalawang yugto.
Yung Papa Jing, maganda. Yeah. Bagay kay Jerry. Oh, Krista behind the back. Umiping says, lipad kayong lahat. Haboli, habol kayo. Ayaw. John Hall secures the rebound. Tapos, ito yung ating dalawang principals nung tayo ay maglaro sa Araneta Coliseum Finals.
Santa Cruz has definitely given the responders a different look sa kanilang front line. Ang dami niyang nagagawa na intangibles para sa kanilang koponan. Depensa, presence, basketball smarts, at yung intensity. Siyang nagpapakita ng energy para dito sa responders. He is a man on a mission definitely for PNP.
Since the 6-point lead at the 5:56 mark for the PNP, we've sort of slowed down in terms of production. But you know, when I say that, Ronnie, something always happens.
And Olan Umiping always make things happen para dito sa PNP. 7 points in the first half for Olan Umiping.
In the meantime, the dribble of Capus.
Kristen just could not resist reaching in. Sakit ng maliliit na tao yan, sir. Including myself.
Okay. I looked at you for a moment there. Okay. Ano yan, ano? Laki ng
Reflex
bola.
action,
No?
oh.
Diba? Laki-laki ng bola.
Kasi tanaw na tanaw mo eh.
Samantala, gaya nila, para sa Tico Diñera, malayo pa yan, maliit. At saka nasa ilalim. Bakit sila yoyo?
Aabangan nila yan sa ibabaw. Tapos ididikit ka nila sa board.
32-27. Haboli. Criste. Santa Cruz. Pomoste. Criste launches. No, sir.
That's good contest coming from Capus.
Coming down to 3 minutes and 35. Chua. Ano problema ni Chua?
Finish.
Finish. Ando na ako. Pero yung first attempt niya, di ba, yung kamay niya, hindi tama yung release niya.
Baka nagmamadali.
Among other things. We've got a big man coming in, somebody named Paras, coming in for the judiciary in a short while.
Ano bang pag binaligtad mo ang Paras, may sarap?
Ilang taon mo nang ginagawa yung joke na yan?
Pag niloloko ko si Benji, yan.
Alam mo yon, lagi kang nilalagay sa alanganin, no? Sa lahat ng mga movie appearances, TV appearances, talaga yun.
Kasi pa nainuod mo ng cable, yan tuloy ko ano nakikita mo.
Siyempre! Pati telenovela niya, napanood ko.
Uy!
Oh, sus! Sayang. Oh, sabi ni Chua, yan na. Papasok ko na.
Nakita ko yung reaction dito ni Coach Dennis Balason. Talagang tuwan-tuwa siya rin sa basket itong si Chua.
Oo naman. Sabi ni Criste, akin na. Subukan ko ulit. Ayaw.
Criste still scoreless. 0-4 from the field.
Hindi talaga siya jump shooter actually.
Transition talaga.
Pang layup, pang atake, pang
Open court player si Criste.
Yeah. 2.5 to go and it's 34-29. Fast-paced ball game, no question. Tapos getting a shield from Hall, doesn't use it. Goes the other direction, kicks it to Joey Yabot. No, sir, but in the ensuing rebound play, we have a foul.
That'll be 2 free throws.
And Santa Cruz trying to walk away from the scene of the crime, only to realize puro pulis ang kasama niya. I tell everybody who asks me, what are you doing in the UNTV? I have lots of friends in high places nowadays. PNP, Judiciary,
AFP.
Congress. You want me to hold a parade for you on the PNP grounds? Just nice to know that you have so many police prince.
Ang layo nung circumference mo, sir. Mula Kram-Krame, tawid ka ng Guadalupe, abot ka ng Villamor,
Hagin po lahat, sir.
hanggang Taft Avenue sa Padre Faura.
Ito ang judiciary.
Di ba?
Ah,
Ang MMDA saan? Doon din.
doon. Buong Metro Manila.
Anak.
Kasi pag nakita ko si si Gupit, si paborito natin. Yung maganda buhok kanina.
Gitap.
Gitap, yun. Follow up sa loob. Escalona knows how to score. No problem for him. It's 36-30. Dikit yung laro, Ronnie.
Dikit yung laro at yan ang intensyon dito ng Magis. Dumikit lamang dahil alam nila pagdating sa dulo, naniniwala sila na doon sila namamayagpag, Seve. They've proven that in the last 3 contests. Pero para sa PNP, that 71-69 win over AP definitely has cemented their confidence level heading into this match.
Alam mo, ang hirap talunin ng judiciary kung porsyento basketball ang pinag-uusap. Galing maglaro ng porsyento
Saka
ng
may mga
judiciary.
players silang magagaling sa duluhan.
Yung porsyento, galing ng judiciary. In the meantime, Escalona
attacking the closeout, forcing Paras to give up a foul.
Yun ang difference naman sa AFP. FP magaling pag when they steamroll over
Mabilis
an opponent.
magaling sa arangkada.
Kaso pagka yung dikit yung laro, mababa yung porsyento nila.
Yung closing out games na tinatawag.
Escalona had a good wide open view, just couldn't knock it down. It's down to 118 with the score at 36-30. Capos looks straight but falls short. Nice pitch. Haboli. Paras is on him. Follow up Escalona. No. Paras clears the airspace. Capos. Yabut. Hall. Hop. Step. Jump. No! Para tayo nagko-cover ng ping-pong. Nice pass into the air by Escalona to Misola.
Misola quietly with 13 big points for PNP. And he is the leading scorer for the responders, combining with Olan Umiping to produce 20 of the 38 points for the responders.
And we're coming down to the last 35 seconds of the first half. Nice drive to the basket, knocked away. Yabut is fouled, and Abaya is the guilty party.
You will not be surprised if the middle name of Joey Yabut is Smart. He's always played smart every time he's on the floor. Joey Yabut has earned more minutes in the last 4 games at least because of the absence of Don Camaso.
And I've been teasing Joey, pag mag-analyze ng laro yan, umuupo sa tabi. Alam mo, dapat mas marami kang minuto nilalaro eh. Kasi ito, porsyento player din ito eh. No? Pag pinasok, may nangyayaring maganda.
Pati tira niya, Sev eh. High percentage look eh.
May ganong player
Meron,
talaga.
no? Sigurista.
Parang meron talagang hindi sanay maging starter. Pero pag pinasok mo, may mga good things na nangyayari. No?
Yung mga efficiency rating ng mga ganitong klaseng players laging mataas.
Escalona.
Difficult.
Walang lift. Margonia trying to control it. Nice dish. This is a good finish by the judiciary towards the end of the period. No, sir. So in terms of a rally, at least the judiciary is there close, but the PNP is still in the lead.
Oh yes, the Magis gave up 24 points in the first quarter, but they only allowed judiciary to have a 14-point output, and as a result, a 10-point deficit has been sliced to only 4 heading to our final half.
Let's send it upstairs to Jerry and Ryan.
Alright, thank you, Seven, Coach Ron. What an exciting game, mga ka-sports. First na pa lang yan, Coach. At siguradong mas marami pang pasik-laban ng firepower sa second half. But at this point, the scores natin ay 38 for the PNP responders and 34 naman for the Judiciary Magis. Kasalukuyan lamang po ang PNP responders ng 4 points.
Very close. Expected yon dahil talagang medyo makita mo yung very aggressive yung PNP kanina, pero may mga tutukan, miss, mga point blank, maraming putbacks, grabe ang collapse. Same goes with yung kabila. PNP, they still run their transition every opportunity, pero may mga miss layups din sa bandang dulo. Siguro medyo tight sila pareho, nagbabasahan muna, no? Pero siguro, this coming third quarter, expect some fireworks, sabi nila.
That's right, Coach. At parang ang gaya nga ng sinasabi, laging na-witness natin nung season 1 pa, parang umuulit lang ulit yung game. Lumalamang ngayon ng PNP, behind ng judiciary, pero pagdating ng mga quarter na third hanggang fourth, nagkakaroon na ng pagpantay.
Nagkakapalit-palit lang. Pero siyempre, alam mo naman, siyempre, the likes of John Hall, Capus, medyo sa third, fourth quarter, pumipick up yan. Same goes with, nandun pa si Mr. Agoncillo, Criste, medyo hindi pa sila umiping, medyo slow start siya ngayon.
Alright, and Coach, ano pong napansin niyo sa laro ngayon ng PNP as compared ng season 1? Dahil ibang-iba po ngayon ang laro ng PNP.
Mas tumatakbo sila ngayon and medyo nakita ko involved sa transition din yung mga malalaki nila, tumatakbo sa fast break and talagang they put more emphasis doon sa yung mga big man nila to be involved sa opensa.
Napakalaki po ng contribution of course dito ng isa sa kanilang mga reinforcement na si Harold Arnold Santa Cruz na talaga namang kumakamada ng rebound sa ilalim.
Oh yes, kanina nakita mo grabe ang mga labanan kanina sa ilalim ni Rodel Chua. Nandun sila si Harold Santa Cruz, siyempre parehong hindi papatalo yung dalawang player.
And of course, aside naman of course ng Judiciary Magis, medyo mahirap po sa part nila dahil of course wala ang kanilang big man na si Don the Hammer Camaso.
And kung mapapansin mo Ryan, siyempre wala masyadong strict yung kamong sunod-sunod na tira, tama. Every basket, they contain right away kung sino yung tumama na player. They don't give them that mga 2 to 3 successive open jumpers. Talagang makita mo, dinitikitan nila kagad. May extend sila kagad sa mga shooters. And very sila talaga, maingat sila.
That's right, Coach. Pag-uusapan pa natin yan ulit mamaya. But before we proceed with our halftime break, we'd like to thank our sponsors, starting off with our co-presenters, Osteogard, Go Galaw, Fatroline Fit, IMIT, and Leave It. Tibay Atay, sarap ng buhay.
UNTV would also like to thank Red Bull Energy Drink, Resist Failure, Mayor Paint, you paint more while you pay less, Glorious Blend, A Taste of Heaven, Sweet and Fit, Sweet and Life Naturally, Biopatch, Rayuma, i-Biopatch na yan.
And special thanks to Freshman Masculine Wash, Be Better Than Clean, Freshman Active Body Bar, Freshman Extreme Dio, Waterboy, Pure, Safe, Clean, and Healthy Water Company to assure the best quality of drinking water. Shift to healthy water.
And we would also like to thank our online media partner, Spin.ph.
Ayan, sa mga ka-Facebook natin dyan, ito, who are active in social media like us on our Facebook page, facebook.com/UNTVCup.com, and follow us on Twitter at UNTVCup and Instagram, ayan, at UNTV_Cup. And don't forget to use the hashtag UNTVCup2.
At bukod dito sa TV, you can also watch our games live through real-time video streaming on www.untvweb.com, and you can also download the official UNTV app for free. Kaya lagi kayo on the go, lagi pa rin kayong updated sa mga games natin dito sa UNTV Cup.
That's right. At alam mo, Coach Jerry, bukod sa mga public service efforts na ginagawa ng UNTV Cup, na isa sa mga unique concept, of course, ng ating nag-iisang Kuya Daniel Razon, Mr. Public Service, inaabangan din ng ating mga kasambahay ang mga matitinding aksyon hatid ng ating mga public servants turned hardcore heroes. Kaya on our halftime break, magbabalik na tayo sa second round eliminations sa mga bigating, eto na yung coach yung pinag-uusapan natin kanina, bigating mga hardcore moves. Ayan, panoorin natin mamaya ang top 10 offensive plays.
I'm sure inaantay nila yan.
That's right.
Maganda yan
Right. Nakita mo yun, Coach.
Yung ano naman, yung...
Dito lang yan, pang NBA.
Yes, binato.
Ibinato.
Wala nang babaan. Pagkatanggap, release kagad.
Oo, nagulat din doon si Senator Angara ng tira na yun.
Narinig ko si Sir Seb nung sumigaw siyang 3 points. Parang, nagulat ako.
What a shot! Alright, yan na po ang mga top 10 na best plays natin ng elimination. Eliminations pa lang yan, Coach.
Yes,
May papasok pa ang quarterfinals.
Yes, at saka gusto ko makita yung grabing extra passes doon sa mga offensive plays natin. Kita mo talaga yung pagka nakita ng mga batang nag-aaral mag-basketball na hindi dinediretso nila. It's just, pag may libre, makita mo yung extra passes nila talaga. Nakakatuwa, umaabot sa 2 hanggang 3 pasa kung kailangan.
Alright, Coach, papasok na po ang third quarter.
Well, I'm sure hahabol itong team ng Judiciary. Alam naman natin, 4-point lead. Napaka-iksi lang yan. It's almost close. And I expect some good mga defensive plays sa bawat koponan at And I'm sure, didiin na sila this coming third.
Ayan. Siguradong didiin na talaga yan, Coach. Maraming salamat po sa iyo at sa patinding mga labanan dito sa UNTV Cup. Siguradong marami pa tayong aabangan sa hardcore heroics mula sa ating mga hinahangaang koponan. Meanwhile, dadako na po tayo sa second half ng last game ng eliminations ng UNTV Cup Season 2. The classic matchup between the Judiciary Mages and the PNP Responders. Balik na po tayo kay Sev and Coach Ron.
Ano kaya minsan, pag may tirang ganon gaya nung kay Senator Angarat, hindi ako magsasalita.
Wag naman.
Wag. Okay. Lalagyan natin ng konting action yan. Kasi big effort dyan. Ito, tama si Jerry. What do you do? Your PNP. You know the judiciary is coming back. What do you gotta do? Your PNP first.
Unang-una, pareho naman nilang sinusubukan execute yung game plan nila. Gumana para sa PNP, lumamang ng 10 sa first quarter. Pero may adjustments na rito yung judiciary. Defensively, they pressed. And they also made an effort to take away Santa Cruz underneath. All of Umiping may have gotten some baskets, but salamat Kapus, John Hall, made sure that they stayed close by attacking, by pushing that pace, increasing dun sa ating second quarter, and most importantly, by defending much better. Kaya lamang ng 10 kanina ang PNP, nahiwa sa 4 patungo sa ating third quarter.
Yung bang, if you're the PNP on the other hand, or if you're the judiciary on the other hand, gusto mo pa rin yung pace of the game because hindi pa masyadong tumatakbo ang PNP.
Nakatakbo ng first quarter, pero doon sa second quarter, tinakbuhan naman nila ang PNP. I thought that the Magis defended the second quarter much better. Kaya nga, hiniwa nila yung kalamangan na hawak kanina ng PNP na nakalagay sa 10 puntos.
Jerry has somebody to talk to. Go, Jerry.
Sev, ready na akong maglaro dito, no? Kasama ko ngayon si Assistant Coach Artemio Marquez. Coach, ano po yung mga critical adjustments na gagawin natin in this half?
Medyo malaki kasi sa depensa namin, medyo maganda yung opensa nila. Adjust kami ng malaki sa depensa. So, kailangan namin ng mga big man din kasi malalaki rin sila. So, may dribble pa. Adjust kami sa depensa and then yung aming opensa, medyo yung speed namin nasasabayan nila eh. So yun. Depensa kami, yung opensa namin, yung speed namin, so siguro hindi muna namin gagawin. Maglalaro kami ng slow break muna, tapos focus lang doon sa bola, lahat ng player, para makuha namin yung routine ng bigayan ng bola.
Okay, sige. Maraming salamat po, Coach Artemio. Nakinig din pala ako dito sa pinag-usapan nila dito sa bench, at matinding motivation talaga yung ginagawa. Sabi nga nila, parang sa inyo tong laban na to, give your 100% para makuha natin tong larong ito. Back to you, Sev.
Well, it's nothing like finishing at 8-0. I'd like to go back-to-back here. Let's send it. Hang on. Looks like a shot clock violation. Hang on, Reina. Okay, now we can go to you. Go ahead, please.
Yes, Seb, tight defense is the keyword for the Judiciary Magic coming to the second half of this ball game. 4 things important for them. They need to sag on the big men of the PNP. Inirangs andyan si Santa Cruz, si Abaya at si Abragan. Secondly, backs out more. Thirdly, sprint back on defense and create more noise inside the court. Sabi nga Coach Dennis Balason, hopefully itong si John Hall mag-work na yung perimeter shots niya dahil kanina nga first half minamalas daw siya. Malaking tulong daw yung mga perimeter shots na nawala dito kay John Hall. And also sinabi rin sa akin ni Coach Dennis Balason, nako, ang hirap talaga na wala si Don. Pag ganyan si Don, mas relax daw ang team nila. That's why he asked everyone in the team to contribute points for the team. Sev?
Sana yung pag-upo ni Don Camaso dyan ay kahit paano yung makatulong sa kanilang cause.
Well, Sev, lumalapit si Don sa court. Dati wala siya, tapos sumunod, nasa likod siya. Ngayon, nasa bench siya. He is 2 weeks away from being in active duty once more. Pero ito yung realidad eh. Wala si Don, they have to play well. They have to hurdle PNP, who is protecting an immaculate slate. Good forced stop by Criste, extracting that offensive foul from Midas Marquez.
Midas is quickly realizing that in basketball, and I'm sure he knows this, there is no appeal.
Oh.
Got called, it was a
Maski
late...
sa anong korte, no?
It was a late call. Hindi, except sa kanya, Supreme Court siya eh. So pagtapos na ron, wala na. Unless may review, may talagang serious challenge. Kala mo naman, abogado, no?
Pero si Olan Umiping nag-aabogado ron even after nailing the 3. This is already Olan Umiping's 12th point kung di tayo nagkakamali. Tama, 12 na para sa Olan Umiping.
Wala pang nai-score dito sa second half ang kupunan ng Judiciary. Samantala lumipad si Olan, walang nangyari, humingi ng foul, hindi binigyan.
Can't stop playing.
Yep,
Look at it.
Marquez
Look at Olan umiping.
cranks up a 3. I thought it had a chance. Olan still appealing on the other side. Oh, that won't work. Harold Santa Cruz trying to dribble. Goes all the way. Is fouled downstairs by Marquez.
Santa Cruz is probably the quickest big man around.
Patrol, I am fit. I am it. Is it a natural tendency of the gunner shooters? I remember Alan Kedick and some others. Pag tinamaan sila, they feel they need to get a foul para maging ganon.
Totoo.
In a way, no?
Oh, in a way. Alam mo naman na may tama o wala. But still, the bottom line is you cannot stop playing.
I guess so.
Good recovery by Santa Cruz, but he throws the ball away.
Marquez says, let me try again. Yes!
Talk about a shooter's bounce. Marquez hitting his second three-point basket.
And the first basket of the Judiciary here in the second half, coming at the 7-minute mark, almost the 8-minute mark. Oh! Abaya, you're right about the fact that he's such a sweet shooter.
Tama yan. Prior to the conversion ni Midas Marquez kanina na kanyang pangatlong punto sa unang conversion dito sa ating laro, they were 2 of 10. Good for only 20% from the 3.
John Hall's attempt does not work. In the meantime, picked up by Cabinting. John Hall dancing in the box. Outside to Capos. Capos has not yet exploded. Gets it at close range to make it 46-39.
Capos was scoreless in the first quarter, finishing with 7 at the turn of the half. After that basket, Capos is already credited with 9 points. Second leading scorer behind the 10 points of Salamat.
Omiping 3. Bang!
15 for Olan Umiping, 3 of 5 rather, from the Rainbow area. This is the biggest lead.
Third time it has happened,
yes,
actually.
Tama yan.
When it was 14-4, 24-14, and now at 49-39. Capos, nice pass. Cabinting was probably surprised by the pass more than anything else. Here it goes into the hands of Marquez.
Maniniwala ako that in a particular game, you only get minimal chances of making point-blank shots because in the fourth quarter, definitely, yung ganyan mga chance, mawawala yan. You have to make these shots.
Live it, TBI Atay, sarap ng buhay, 3-point explosion. Here comes Capos, dancing, twirling, and fouled upon curling.
Pushing foul on number 17, Jalen Misola, his first one.
Misola with the foul. In the meantime, Osteogard Gogalaw 3.
Japan Cabahug coming in for Julius Christie.
Cabahug in for Christie at the point. 5:51 to go. We're in the third. That will circle out. By the way, just for the record, the MMDA won against the House of Representatives earlier today. The MMDA looks like they have now secured 4th spot.
Yes, and that win was heavy for them. Actually, yung back-to-back wins na nakuha nila, Sir. That cemented their slot.
Sino? Malacanang.
Malacanang ang, yung tinalo nila last week. Malacanang will fall to the 5th spot.
4 versus 5 eh.
Oo.
Tapos 3 versus 6.
AFP versus
Senate.
Oo.
And that's all happening this Sunday.
Yes, pero may twice to beat advantage ang 3 and 4. Mukhang dalawang laro lang tayo sa linggo, no, sir?
I think so. Nabawasan na ang ating liga ng 3 kupunan, actually. Nice dish. Nice dish. Oh boy. Alam mo, pag napasahan ka ng maganda, nakakainis pag hindi mo na-shoot.
Parang mortal sin pag hindi mo na itira.
And it is 51-39. Now it is the biggest lead at 12. Timeout taken. Back with us here, 51-39, Seb Sarmiento, Ronnie Magsano. And we've got Jerry Alcantara, Rina Villamor, Ryan upstairs, and Jerry. Para silang cartoons na Ryan and Jerry.
Pwede?
Pwede. Tom and Jerry.
Si. Okay.
Okay. Ito, ang problema ng PNP, naghahanap sila ng pagkukunan ng puntos.
Ang judiciary ay meron pa lamang 5 puntos dito sa third quarter.
Ang judiciary ang naghahanap talaga ng source ng wala, kahit yung close range.
Yung sinasabi natin, Sir, yung close range. Binanggit kanina ng ating mga kasama, si Jared Nerina, problema ni John Hall, yung mid-range shots niya, na talagang bala ng opensa niya.
Parang lumalabas
sumasablay.
Pa, no? Diba? Pasok na, lumalabas pa.
He is only 22% today, 2 of 9 from the field, equivalent to 4 points. Nice fake crossover.
Ay, naubos sa crossover. Capus goes up and scores.
Without Don Camaso, Real Capus has to work triply hard to get his points.
And the lead of 12, which stood as the biggest lead, is now pruned down to 10.
But remember, Seb, that Ariel has been the captain of the ship para dito sa judiciary in the last 4 games at least.
Nawala si
Don. Kinakayod din niya yan. Todo.
With a little help from my friends. Miss Sola, straight, no.
Napanood ko yan, Seb.
Yeah. Ganda, no?
Oo, sa Mandalay Bay.
Yeah, the Beatles show at the Mandalay. No.
Ay, sorry. Mirage.
Mali, gumawa sila ng theater doon sa sa Mirage.
Saka maliit lang, no? Kaya very intimate eh. Cirque du Soleil.
Tapos nahalata mo yung speaker mo, yung speaker nasa silya.
Pati yung Sir, yung video, no?
Absolutely.
Ganda.
Capus!
5 straight points for Real Capus.
Ay, parang ayaw pang pumasok no?
Kaya minental telepathy ni Ariel Capus now, meron ng kabuang 14 puntos.
Unti-unti, And the biggest lead of 12 has been cut down substantially. It is now 53-44, down to a single digit.
Santa Cruz continues to power that ball in.
Now
Dennis Escalona for Ronald Demaya. 2 free throws for Harold Santa Cruz.
That was a patrol I am it. Rainbow conversion. Boy, you gotta like the PNP. They're managed, pamatay sunog ang ginagawa nila at each turn, no?
One of the strongest quarters of the judiciary in the last 2 conferences is the 4th quarter, Seb.
Yeah.
Tignan natin kung meron silang tinatawag na second win. Tingnan natin kung meron silang remate na nakabulsa pa kontra dito sa responders.
Rabino into the corner. Misola.
Tough. Very tough. Tight.
Ganda ng defensive stance ni Misola. Alam niya kung saan iikot si Capus.
Inadvertent trip. Meron talaga. Sumabit.
Sabit.
Actually, natapakan yung heel ni Rabino. Napakahirap mag-ball screen sa corner talaga, Seb. Dahil wala ka ng espasyo.
Walang lugar, no?
You have to have that space to turn the corner na tinatawag para maka-atake ka. 2 straight fouls from Escalona. We talked about the shooting woes of John Hall today. We talked about the tripod of the Magis. Camaso, Hall, and Capus. Capus has gotten on track. John Hall, kinakailangan bumomba para sa Magis para makadikit.
Or somebody else for that matter at this point.
Yung somebody else kasi, pangatlo nila yun As Rabino.
Or pang-apat.
Out-jumps.
Kung nandiyan si Camaso.
Tama,
diba?
kabahog. Be able to put in the 46 points para sa Magis. 12 in the third quarter for the Magis versus 17 para naman dito sa koponan ng PNP.
Lead now reduced to 9. Magis trying to knock on the door of the PNP. The free throw does not bite, however. Here comes Cabaug back in the ballgame with 2:35 to go. Cabaug waits for the rest of the gang to get assembled. Here's Santa Cruz. Footwork ni Santa Cruz pang big man talaga, no? Straight, but out. They tap it around. Hall. Oh, it goes in. Escalona, and here's Chua by his lonesome. Chua pounds. Misola with him all the way. Follow up, Rabino smothered. There's a block from behind and could be a foul on somebody. Umiping tried to reach for the Sky. It is his foul.
Ito, larong playoffs na itong ating nakikita eh.
Okay.
These are two of the best teams that we have. At napapatunayan nila kung bakit umaabot sila o nakarating sila sa finals. Makikita natin kung bakit pareho pa rin silang top contenders para dito sa second conference. They're not only well coached, but they are highly motivated players.
Yeah.
Who want not only to make a name for themselves, but who want to win together.
Omiping picks up the miss. 2 minutes to play. Misola just missing the layup. Had no angle. Rabino.
4 in the game for Rabino. Back-to-back baskets para kay Rabino, helping out Real Capos as they try to push themselves closer dito sa koponan ng PNP na kanina merong 14 na puntos na kalamangan. Misolas redeeming himself from that missed layup. Attacking, scoring, and Misolas will now be scoring his 13th point of this contest.
Akin Misola has played a stellar game from the opening tap up to now.
Always a picture of quiet efficiency, laying behind the shadows of Olan Omiping.
Pag ganyang katangkad na pulis ang kumuli sa akin, makikiusap akong bawasan ng sentence ko kung ano man.
Bakit?
Malaki.
Ten.
Pag si Christie kasi, baka magmakaawa pa ako na mas malaki.
Tignan mo, Misola even diving for that loose ball.
Cabao uses an angle. Escalona picks it up. And sandali, sabi na ating referee, baka si Salamat.
Grabe pumulot ng bola sa Escalona, no? Trail jump, extra possession, over the limit foul given up by the Magics. They're down by 13 after narrowing the gap to only 4 doon sa ating dulo ng first half.
At 38 to 34.
That's correct.
Dimson is in for the first time. If I'm not mistaken, was walked out.
PNP's defense has definitely made it difficult
I agree.
for the Magis to score over 14 points. 24 in the first quarter para dito sa koponan. 14 points rather para sa koponan ng Magis dun sa first. 20 nga sa second quarter, pero 14 na naman lang ang pinapayagan ng responders kontra dito sa Magis sa ating third quarter.
Escalona's contribution of 6 points has mattered here. Coming off the bench, Hall's dribble is interrupted. And wow, matatanggal yung kamay ni Escalona. Possession arrow pointing in the direction of the judiciary.
Tandaan natin, Sev, na yung build-up ng PNP ginawa nila na pansukat para sa judiciary papasok dito sa second conference.
That is so true.
Kaya kinuha nila si Santa Cruz.
The kind of player that they added, ano?
Napakahirap for coaches to identify what they need.
The referee corrected the official's
Mamasaring,
Mamasaring.
Ito pa ang isang bala rito ng PNP. Si Bayabaw, muhusay ding lumaro ito.
Nakipag-untugan ng ulo
Ay, nako. Bagay sila magtapat ni Rabino.
Sige, dyan na kayo. Salamat. Alam mo naman, sa pace ng 10-minute game, you have to make your rally in the third, not in the fourth.
Kailangan may buwelo ka na.
Although, ginawa yun ng MMTA against Malacanang.
Pero, sobrang bibilis kasi nila.
Pero yun, half-court set, dalawa yung binanata nila nung half-court set. Nagulat ako rin, Si Escobar nga, tumigil kakakain,
Oo.
Di ba?
Oo.
Di ba? May natira sa akin.
Oo.
Saka nakakita ng analyst ka, upo pala, I'm hungry. Big man yun, big man. Bayabaw, libre. Masyadong libre. Sayang, wasted possession, 30 seconds.
You always have to be ready when your numbers score. Alam naman natin, mababaw ang substitution pattern ng most coaches. Olan Omiping, yes. 19 points for Olan Omiping.
Pumalik na naman sa 13, Biggest, ito na ang biggest 12 kanina ang biggest.
Kasi nagtapon sila ng bola, Seb. Nakastop na sila pero naitapon nila yung kanilang forward pass. Nice.
In this arena yung opensa ng judiciary. Sabog, Sabog. 0.9 seconds. 9/10. One catch, one shoot. The catch is there. The shoot, the shot. A little wild. 13. And the work is cut out for the judiciary. Ronnie Magsano.
Definitely, PNP once again 2 steps ahead of the Magis. How many times will the Magis be able to come back? Let's find out in the 4th.
Okay, we're just about ready, but here's a nice interview. I know it'll be great. Rina Villamor with Don Camaso.
That's right, kasama ko po ngayon si Don Camaso. Hindi kami makatayo ngayon dahil may sprain pa siya. Nakikita ko yung air cast niya. Don, dahil wala ka ngayon sa team, no, malaki yung adjustments na binibigay dito ni Coach Dennis Balason. Pero sa tingin nyo, paano nyo makakat down yung lead na pagdating dito sa ating 4th quarter?
Kailangan namin talaga dumipensa at saka bumaba kaagad. Kasi talaga nakikita mo, ang ganda ng fast break ng PNP. Kaya kailangan bumaba kami. Tsaka kailangan makakonvert kami ng mga plays namin. Siguro yun lang.
Alright, maraming salamat sa iyo. At sana gumaling na agad yung paa mo para makabalik ka na agad dito sa tulong ng Magis. Sev, balik sa iyo.
Yun, ang paa. Ang report, 2 weeks, no?
Yes.
Saka ang feeling ko, mas gusto talaga ni Rina pag nakaupo si Don saka pati siya.
Oo naman. At lagi natin iniisip ang welfare ni Rina.
Oo naman.
Basta beyond 5'6" ang kausap
Kasi
niya.
mo naman, Sev, last week na heat stroke. Kung magka-stiff neck.
Oo nga naman. Ano?
Di ba, Aling Rina? Ay, naku. Nagtama, Sev. Ayun, no? Nagtama, pero nakangiri. Sumasaludo pa. Peace, man.
Nahirit pa. Alam mo, Daniel Razon, gawa mo kaming talk show. Isama namin yan. Ubus yan. Saka yung dalawa sa taas, ubus yan. Diba?
Ariel Capos definitely willing to step up to the plate to be the fire starter here para
kailangan.
sa kanilang
Kailangan, no?
At ito yung sinasabi mo, Seb, kailangan makabuelo ng maaga.
Can't wait for the 5th minute. You gotta do it somewhere in the top of the... Oh, sayang.
I've never seen John Hall have a subpar game in the last 2 conferences. Except perhaps for today.
Kasi noon dati, pag si Camaso tatanggap, pag na-miss, siya kukuha no?
Totoo yun, Seb. Pero ako nakikita ko rito, nahihirapan siya kay Santa Cruz, Seb.
Oh, that's also...
Kasi normally, mga power forward or yung mga 4, ino-overpower niya yan.
That's a great point.
Pero ito, kaya siya. Balikat pa lamang, kaya siya.
Tsaka yung attitude ni Santa Cruz, sasabayan kita.
Ito mo, magsing lapad ng balikat.
Talaga?
Mabilis ding tumakbo. Kadalasan kasi talagang...
Mas matangkat pa siya, no?
Look at Christian Bergonio.
Santa Cruz grinding it down!
Ang hirap nung tirang yun. Santa Cruz with 6 points. Ariel Capos attacks on the other end.
PNP is running. Abaya, gone.
Under control, fast break look. Courtesy of Olan Umiping. And Abaya always is a very, very efficient teammate. 8 points for Abaya, 4 of 7 from the field.
And now, Ronnie, this is the biggest lead at 15.
Pati yung kumpiyansa ni John Hall to take those mid-range shots, nawawala. The color continues between Christian Bergonio. At alam naman natin, Sir, there is a history between these 2 teams. These 2 teams face off in the finals.
Yeah. Christe with his, I think, 4th foul. Yeah. Si Joey Abot ang pina-inbound niya, hindi naman kasali si Joey Abot. I really think Joey should play more. I'm not kidding. Huh? They need a, like in this situation, they need a gunner from the outside. Nice pass. Hall is wide open. Ooh, ayaw talaga, no? Chance to recycle.
Let's do it 11 now for John Hall.
2 of 11?
Yes.
May foul.
That will be the 5th and final foul for Julius Christe.
Calling foul on number 22, Julius Christe.
Nakipagbat-batan ata si
Alam mo, Sir.
Oh, ano yun?
Kung gagraduate ka. Kaya lang ang problema, pangatlong team foul na nila yun. You don't want to be over the limit when you have that momentum after you built a 15-point lead.
Kasi sayang yung
At
binilda mo.
babagal yung laro at ma-atake ka ng judiciary sa loob. Kasi talagang umakyat na yung physicality ng laban eh. Bawat possession, meron ng girian eh. Yan o, tingnan mo. Another useless foul para sa PNP. Definitely, this will slow the fourth quarter
Which
down.
now draws a reaction for the coaching staff.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
You want to play physical, yes, but you don't want to give up fouls.
Needlessly, no?
Oh, yes. Kasi atake na yan sa loob.
Paul, one-hander, offline. Chua picks it up. Shot clock is reset. Inside the hole. He'll try again. Stops. Parang hindi siya in rhythm today, no? Ah, corner shot.
Top shot.
Rebredo, parang hindi nagugulo ang buhok. Parang Ed Cordero.
Pati jump shot ba?
Yung bang buhok ni Ed Cordero nagbubuhat din? Ewan ko. In the meantime,
ito yung sinasabi natin, sir. Every possession, meron na tayong nakikita na useless foul sa ating dalawang koponan.
may mga iwan ng calling card bigla, no?
Saka talagang nandun na tayo sa parteng sadya na.
Okay. Inbound from the baseline. Umiping on a nice set. Bang!
Yan ang gustong-gusto ko kay Olan Umiping. Ano man yung physikalidad ng laban, hindi siya napipikon. Alam niya na ang laban ay pagalingan. At alam niya na if you lose your temper, ang hirap makabalik at maging balanse.
This 15-point spread becoming a familiar refrain here in the fourth quarter. Now coming down to 6:43. And Cabahog says, let's slow it down. Boy, the PNP now threatening to have an unblemished record at the end of the eliminations today. That skirts out. Cabahog can bring it out, and they can waste some time, actually.
These extra possessions
I just said
are really
it
tiring, but they throw the ball away.
Yeah. Paul gets a layup.
Not a good decision for Cabahog. He had that extra 24 seconds to work with, but instead he allows the Magis to take that ball away and score. Alam naman natin na hirap ng pumuntos ang Magis sa half-court defense dito ng PNP.
69-56 po ang ating bilang at position po ang inahabol dito. Pag nanalo po ang PNP, secured ang first place. Judiciary will be second. Importante ho yung sinasabi ko na yan sa pagpasok ng playoffs. Pasok naman ho ang dalawang ito sa 1 and 2. Sigurado yan eh. So sa darating na linggo ho, ang ating, it's a matter of who plays first na lang. Ano? MMDA against Malacanang and AFP against the Senate.
Ramon Paras coming in for Menelchua. Javon Mesona for Harold Peseta. 2 free throws for Harold Santa Cruz.
In the meantime, Harold Santa Cruz, what a game he has played.
Look at his sweat.
Look at the hair. Hindi, parang buhok ni Ryan, hindi nagugusot.
Ang gandang pagka-wax.
Oo.
Someone is open.
Bakit? Nakita mo na bang gusot ang buhok ni Ryan? Hindi pa, di ba? Oh.
Ang hirap naman nung ikaw na mag-free throw, ikaw pa ang una sa transition. That cross match was not covered well enough. Allowed Bergoño that reverse basket.
We're down to 5:27 and it's beginning to look more and more like PNP's game, although that is a heartbreaker of a miss. Cross court. Tapos.
And the responders have to be very careful in thinking that they have this game won. The Magis have another kick coming.
Yeah, final kick siguro, no?
At least 2 more.
Tingin mo, dalawa pa?
At least 2 more.
Sige, bilangin natin, ha? Santa Cruz. Ay. Foul on Bergoño.
Pushing foul on number 8, John Bergoño. His second, 3.
Enriquez comes in.
Salamat, sir. Hindi na nakabalik, ano?
Parang oo, eh.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
Naman hirap din depensa ng PNP when their game is in gear, ano? Now you understand the Camaso differential.
Well, normally, the Magis are a very high-scoring team, but without Don, they've been able to keep their heads above water. Another good offensive rebound. Abaya with a touch pass, and Santa Cruz playing his best offensive game of the second conference, back to a 13-point advantage for the Blue Shirts.
Capus. One attempt. Paras. Capus 3. They need that. They need those three-point shooters and those three-point baskets now.
This will be the 6th three-point conversion for the Magis. Capus nailing his 19th point of this contest.
From a high of 15, it's now a lead of 10 below the 4-minute mark.
And PNP has simplified their point of attack. Even against tremendous small pressure, they're able to go with their offensive look simply by looking for mismatches in that post area.
Here's a little bit. Tibay Atay, sarap ng buhay. 3.
Yan na si Salamat.
Omiping.
Not using the Euro step, instead going for that ball fake. Lead back to 12 para dito sa Responders.
Nakakatawa yung, hindi nakakatawa. Nakakatawa yung Euro step. Meron na tayo nun eh, di ba? Pero alam mo si Elmer Reyes, dalas tawagan na traveling na ng araw, ano?
Hindi traveling yung sidestep niya. Ang traveling niya is yung pambuelo niya sa sidestep niya.
Pagkatapos ng sidestep?
Hindi, yung pagcambio niya. Kasi nagli-lift yung pivot foot na tinatawag.
Tapos kita mo, nakakatawa nung pag nagmamumble si Elmer. Pagkatapos, pag hindi naman ginawa mo na yun.
PNP is only 3 minutes and 25 from dealing itong Magis their second loss of the conference. PNP looking to protect an immaculate slate, hoping to climb to an 8-0 win-loss card and secure the top spot heading to the semifinals.
Misola has been a contributor.
Sila ni mabigat yung frontline scoring nila.
Too much, ano?
Pati si Abaya. That's already 35 points coming off the front line.
Silang tatlo?
Oo.
So an average of about 11.
12 each.
A little less than 11
yes.
for each one.
The Responders giving up that shooting foul. At sabi nga natin, hindi na nila kailangang magbigay ng foul set. All they need to do is defend. Defend the three-point line at the very least.
Haboli in for Kabahog. In the meantime, coming down to 3 and 12. Setup job, Abaya banging bodies with Capus. Got a feed over to Misola who missed it. A heartbreaker. Santa Cruz reverses. No, sir. Big men missing downstairs. 2:48. Maybe this is the second run you were talking about. Capus gone.
And they're doing this not just by shooting threes, but instead attacking right away. Too many gimme baskets missed by the Responders.
Yeah, too close. Talagang niluluwa o mintis talaga. Baligtad ang kamay. Nice pass downstairs. Umiping. Nice dish to the other side. Abaya straight and through.
Those short jumpers are not easy to make.
Back to 11. Capus is blocked by Santa Cruz.
Ang laking bagay talaga nung pagpasok ni Santa Cruz sa lineup ng Responders. He was not yet in this shape when he first set in. But after 4 or 5 games, suddenly he has built his body, developed that tremendous conditioning level. And right now, he is like the Asi Taulaba of the Responders.
Hindi ganito yung attitude, hindi ganito yung aggressiveness niya, no?
Grabe.
Parang kinilala na muna yung liga, no? Boy.
Maliwanag, di ba, Sen? Nung ating mga nakita nung una, Sinukat-sukat niya.
The judiciary now confronted with the possibility of their second loss in the tournament. It was the MMDA that got them the first time around.
Finally, the jumper falls for John Hall, sir.
Last 2 minutes.
Oy, bago yan.
Fit. Sweden Life Naturally. You were saying about John Hall.
Finally, he nails a jumper.
Foul. Sakit.
Ang ginawa rito nila Coach Rafi Gonzalez, nagpasok na ng malaking kwarta, sir. Si Habole kasi 2 guard dyan, pero binubugbog ng Magis si Criste kanina sa Kasikabaho. So naglagay na sila ng hindi nila pwedeng bangga-banggain.
There's no question. The judiciary needs Don Camaso to stop the PNP next time around.
Another big question is, will Don Camaso be ready for the playoffs? PNP, they don't need to foul.
Hall. Now he gets his rhythm.
This is the second push. Second and
Ito
final
na.
push. Yes. Dito ma-timeout sila Coach Dennis. Sila Coach Rafi. Uy. Muntik na, sir.
Muntik na.
Muntik na,
Ang
muntik
lapit
na.
ng
Buti na italo na ni Olan.
Abaya lost it at the baseline.
9 seconds on the shot clock.
And they'll use a timeout. We'll be back in a moment.
Timeout PNP responders.
(80-71), a minute and 19 to go. We will await the official word from the commissioner's office and schedule ng games. I'm sure baka malaman na ni
Para
Ryan.
sa Sunday, sir.
Ni Ryan at ni Jerry.
Nandito tayo sa Sunday.
Ha?
Nandito tayo sa Sunday. Malamang.
Malamang. Hindi ka alis?
Yeah. Sa July pa.
Saan ka na naman po?
Baka sa Korea.
Korea?
Oo. Kamsahamnida.
Kamsahamnida. Ako, Thailand, July. Tapos na kaya tayo nun? Tapos na siguro.
River Prawns. Yeah. Ne. Sayang yung timeout dito ng PNP.
Bakit?
Turnover na nangyari.
2 seconds lang nawala sa oras, di ba?
Oo, tama.
1:19 nun eh.
Last push.
Ako, sugal ako 3. Ano sabi mo?
You called it. They nailed it.
2 lang ata.
I like that basketball in the hands of Olan Umiping.
Ayun.
Wala na si Olan sa loob,
Ayaw
sir.
ba? Nilabas. Abaya. Inupuan sa ere. Pinalo up.
Another big basket coming from Abaya. Could be the clincher. Coach Gonzalez taking out Olan Umiping, showing confidence to the rest of his unit. Grabing gamble yun, ha?
Ito si Abaya, sure shot.
Dead shot yan, oo.
Oo, no?
Buwang
May
loob
kamay.
talaga. Kailangan bantayan mo na ngayon si Enriquez.
Oo. Dumagdag, parang dumami ngayon ang weapons ng PNP. Si
Yes.
Escalona, si Misola nag-contribute today, si Abay.
At saka ngayon, hindi na kailangan malalim ang rotation nila sa loob, sir.
Oo.
Hindi katulad dati, dami nilang iniikot masyado ng malaki.
In the meantime, 83-74, lead is 9. Lead is 8. Enriquez.
This is the biggest scoring quarter para dito sa Judiciary. But defensively, they just could not hold down itong kupunan ng PNP to a lackluster production. Double technical will be called on Bayamaw and Ariel Capos.
Kaya po siguro second action, second motion. Second motion. Tapos si Bayabaw, taunting ng konti. Inikot niya yung bola.
Parang hindi tinawagan si Bayabaw, sir.
Oo nga.
Mukhang si ano lang. Pero Capos continues to plead his case. Pero sabi mo nga, Sir, yan ang court of last resort pag napito na. Diba? Dito ang ating mga officials.
It comes at an inopportune time, actually.
Two free throws for Bulgaria.
Iba rin magdiwang itong PNP pag nananalo, no?
You understand.
But I'm taking a look at the PNP.
This is still not the end of the line for these two teams.
Yeah, I'm looking at the judiciary, actually. And the way I'm looking at them, boy, they're thinking down the road,
Oh,
not
yes.
today. Let's see if we get, boom, ayun ang sportsmanlike. Going for the money. Bam. Ang dami naman free throw. Dahil penalty.
Tama, 2 free throws, tapos technical foul, plus 2 free throws, and ball possession pa yan. It's 2-4.
And it's back to 10.
What I like about Santa Cruz is that he is not only a workhorse, but he is also a very vocal leader.
Oo naman. Oo naman. Lalo na in the last couple of games, you know?
They don't need to take a shot. They don't need to get inside. They just have to burn those 24.
Alam mo kasi yung yung diskarte, di ba?
Hindi mo na ituturo yan. Kita mo si Abaya.
Wais. Nabolid. And I would not dribble there. Tatanawan gets it. Glass shot. Misola. His pass. Enriquez. Ironies of ironies. Misola gets a layup, and that should be it. And that'll do it. So, number 1 will be PNP unbeaten.
Yes. They will make to the semifinals outright with an unblemished record. And for the meantime, the Magis will lick their wounds and wait for the re-entry and the coming out party once again of Don Camaso.
But I think they will meet again. Somehow, somewhere.
They will, no doubt.
You want to sing? No more. That's enough for today. Nice to see you again. Good to have you
Thank you.
back. After that short break. And Aling Rina will talk to somebody in just a short while.
Seated, of course.
Yeah, let's go to Rina with this special interview with our best player.
Ayan, ang ating best player po ngayon, walang iba kundi si Jayman Misola. First of all, congratulations dito sa ating PNP Hinirang. So, Jayman, malaking bagay ba na wala dito si Don Camaso? At syempre, hindi din pumapasok yung mga perimeter shots ni John Hall para kayo ay mag-take advantage dito sa larong ito?
Napakalaking bagay talaga pagkawala ni Don kasi siya talaga pinaghandaan namin eh. Since na nawala siya, medyo lumuwag yung ibabaw nila, wala masyadong threat. Kaya nag-take advantage kami doon sa pagkukulang niya na yun.
Ayan, unblemished records kayo, wala pa kayong talo. Sa tingin nyo, pagpasok nyo ng quarterfinals hanggang sa finals, magiging ganito pa rin ang standings nyo?
Sana po, sana po. Tuloy-tuloy lang namin yung pagtatabaho namin, tsaka sana makiri over namin itong clean slate namin hanggang sa finals.
Alright, maraming salamat sa iyo, Jayman Misola. And of course, congratulations again sa ating PNP Hinirangs with that win. Now, I'll turn you over to Ryan and Coach Jerry.
Alright, maraming salamat sa iyo, Aling Rina. Alright, thank you so much, Aling Rina. Ayan. Best player of the game, Red Bull Best Player of the Game, of course. None other than Jayman Misola na talaga namang kumayod ng kumayod.
First time niya, nakita mo yung salpukan sa ilalim. So interesting. Nakita mo yung mga big man ng kapila.
Right.
Rodel Chua, fouled out.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, and I think...
Christie on the other side.
Yes, and this is the first time ata na nakita ko na medyo parang hirap yung judiciary. I know, because wala naman si Don Camaso.
Yes.
But they did a good job in defending judiciary.
Yes.
And talaga alam naman natin lahat dito na markman na si John Hall. markman na si Ariel Capos, kaya medyo nung bandang huli, medyo nagkaroon ng konting konting banggaan. Yes.
That's right. And Coach, kumbaga sa text message, yung mensahe ng PNP sa judiciary, hindi message failed.
Yes.
Message sent.
Yes, they delivered.
Clear statement.
Yes,
Diba?
Talagang parang maganda, mas exciting na naman. We're looking forward to sa pagharap nila.
Nakabawi, Coach.
Yes, and I think medyo yung output ng dalawa, Capos and si John Hall, mababa. Compared
That's right.
kay Umiping. Umiping is there for his team. Steady lang ang points niya, but nakakuha ng mga points kila Jason, Misola, Abaya, and yung mga Criste, yung mga supporting cast, mga intangible sa basketball. They provided that. Helping defense, sacrificing their bodies.
Yes.
Talagang yung mga duty fouls. Ako, doon ko na lang nakita. Clear breakaway, fa-foulin nila.
Oo nga eh.
Huwag lang maitira. Talagang, you have to bleed for your points, sabi nga nila.
That's
Let
right.
them take it sa free throw. Parang gano'n.
Ayan, at that seals up a huge victory for the PNP responders against the Judiciary Magus, ending. Kita mo naman, Coach, ilan to? 77, 10 points. So, 87-77 po yan, mga ka-sports.
At ang best player natin for that game ay si Jayman Misola with 16 points, 5 rebounds, and 4 blocks. First time ata niya ito, Ryan,
First time, yes.
maging best player. So, talagang very commendable yung nilaro niya ngayon.
That's right. And of course, siyempre, maganda rin ang ginawa ni Harold Santa Cruz sa ilalim na talagang nakipagdikdikan sa mga big man.
Malakas yun. Si Harold talagang, ito yung mga teams na talagang more or less makakakita ka na kung anong papakita nila sa semis.
That's right. And with that final game ng ating eliminations, here's our final standings. Alright, at sa pagtatapos ng ating eliminations ngayon, ang ating top 2 teams na PNP Responders at Judiciary Magus ay didiretso na po, mga ka-sports, sa semis.
Alright. Ang AFP naman, 5 wins with 3 losses.
Ayan po. At ang Malacanang naman,
5 wins din with 3 losses.
Ayan, at ang MMDA meron din 5 wins and 3 losses. Ang Senate naman po may 3 panalo at 5 mga talo.
Yan ang nakahabol. Actually, yung Senate, pinaka-last team, but hindi pa rin sila pwedeng pakasisiguro dyan. At
That's right.
Ang LGU naman, 3 wins with 5 losses.
Nababawi na next season.
Yes, at ang HOR naman with 1 win and 7 losses.
Ayan, tama yan, Coach. Kaya abangan natin mamaya. Eto na, pasok na. Sa ating quarterfinals sa first round game, abangan ang muling paghaharap. Nako to.
Ano yan?
Gutom na gutom to mga Black Wolves na to. Kontra, of course, Malacanang Patriots na sinabi siguro nila maaaring baka tsumamba lang.
Ang bilis naman ng rematch nito.
Oo.
Last week lang nangyari. At sa second game naman ay ang banggaan ng AFP Cavaliers kontra Senate Defenders.
Alright, and meanwhile, we'll pause for a break. Sa aming pagbabalik, mga ka-sports, mga kasabay, sisimulan na natin ang quarterfinals ng UNTV Cup Season 2. Kaya huwag kayong aalis dahil magbabalik po ang UNTV Cup.